Yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own Kevin 11 Antitrix from Ben 10 Reboot series. This alien watch is one of the most requested, so here it is and I hope you guys like it. Other than its awesome look, this alien watch also has a functioning alien interface. It's very easy to make, especially with the free template I'm providing. But before we start, massive shout out to these creative Yo fam for their amazing artworks. If you made one of my creations and would like me to share it to this channel, feel free to DM me on Instagram and send me a photo of your awesome DIY. Okay, let's start! Print the PDF file and cut out these pieces. We're going to make the watch strap first, so let's put this aside for the meantime. Grab a cardboard piece and place the template onto the cardboard as guide. You may extend or take away half an inch on both sides to perfectly fit your wrist. To make this piece flexible, gently trace lines with cutter. Please remember not to push too hard so you will not cut the cardboard all the way to the back. If you did it correctly, you'll have something like this. To make my watch comfortable to wear, I glued Eva foam on this part. If you notice, I allotted an inch space in the right part of the strap. This is where we will attach the Velcro to make our watch wearable. For the next step, make sure to leave the strap fastened like so. Then, glue the Eva foam onto the watch strap. If you don't have Eva foam, you can simply use a cereal box, a piece of paper, or any alternative as long as it will cover the cardboard piece and make your watch look clean. Cut out these pieces and glue them onto these areas to cover the cardboard corrugation. After that, I then painted this piece with the color brown. To achieve the round bevel of the watch frame, recycle a plastic bottle and cut out the shoulder part. I cut out these from different bottles to see which piece resembles the original watch frame best, and this is what I've chosen. Take note that the opening of this piece measures 4 centimeters and its bottom with 5.5 centimeters. I painted this with brilliant red and brown on the bottom part. I then cut out this piece and glued it here. Cut out the remaining pieces from the template. As you can see, I made 2 discs for the alien interface. One has all the 11 aliens while the other only has 8. You can choose which disc you want to use, so for me, I'll choose this because its aliens are bigger, thus more visible. Glue all these pieces on a thin cardboard. For me, the best material is folder. If you don't have one, you can utilize a cereal box or the cover of your old notebook. Then, cut out these pieces from the cardboard. After that, I glued these pieces onto an Avafoam to make them look thicker. Them after cutting. By the way, this piece needs to be longer since this has to be wrapped around the watch. For these pieces, I colored them with gray, and to make them look more like metal pieces, I added silver paint onto these areas like so. As you can see, the silver paint really made a huge difference. For the screws, grab these pieces and assemble them together like so. For the Antitrix's antennas, roll this piece and secure with glue. Cut the center like so and fold. Glue the circle piece on top and paint. After painting, glue this piece just as shown. Grab the A1 piece and paint the upper part with silver. After painting, glue the disc in like so. Get the A2 piece and wrap it around this piece to make a ring. Make sure that this piece fits well around this part, not too tight and not too loose. Then, glue this piece to the watch frame. With a strip of paper, make this small piece. It's almost done! Now it's time to assemble all of these parts. First, glue this ring piece. Then, glue this small rod to the center. After that, place the watch frame to this part. Grab the Kevin 11 logo and glue it on top of the small rod. Once that's done, you'll have something like this. Place these pieces around the watch. For this strap, leave a small part unglued. Get the metal pieces and glue them onto these areas like so. Glue the screws as demonstrated, and finally, the antennas. And that's about it! As what I told you earlier, this DIY alien watch is very simple to make and it's not as complicated as it looks. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot if you're planning to make your own Kevin 11 Antitrix, and if you like this video and you're interested in DIY crafts like this, then go ahead, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you'll be updated whenever I upload new videos. That's it, yo fam, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!